Yo geeks, welcome back to the channel. Okay, you saw the thumbnail, you clicked on it, you know what's going on today. I'm finally making Usagi as a doll, and I will be making no other than her Princess Serenity form, just because, you know, we like some fashion drama over here. I will be using the vintage anime style reference for her eyes and face up in general, just because I think the 90s anime aesthetic is so beautiful and pleasing to the eye, but you know, I might be a little bit biased though. Also, this doll is part of an Anime Dolls collaboration, so if you want to see the rest of the dolls my friends came up with, stay tuned till the very end. I promise you won't be disappointed, they all made an amazing job. I will be using my own doll, I mean the doll I designed in Blender and I 3D print her. She is very cute, and if you wanna know more about her, I recommend you to take a look at my Princess Peach video. I will let a link down below. Okay, I really want to talk about something a little bit serious today. I am really sorry, but I've been struggling with my channel content lately. I have been feeling really not so motivated, so I have been taking some time to figure some things out. Things like what type of dolls I want to create for myself. You see, once you're a content creator, it's very easy to fall in this mindset where you start trying to please your audience instead of pleasing yourself as an artist first. Once you start doing that, you're setting yourself for failure. Because if for reasons the video won't perform as you were expecting, you will end up both disappointed and with a doll you actually didn't want to make in the beginning, you know, sitting on your shelf. Sadly, that has happened to me unconsciously, I think, but it's been happening anyways, and I will be trying to fix that this year. I am really planning to prioritize what I really want to make, the content I really want to create, and you might be wondering, is this channel going to change the doll content? And the answer is no. This channel will always be doll related, no matter what. I'm not gonna lie, I'm into some new art hobbies in my life right now, so for the moment dolls are not my main hobby anymore, but one thing is sure, the Dolly Geek channel will always be a place for dolls. That's mainly my major update for 2024, working only and exclusively on the dolls I really want for myself. I might be trying some new experimental content where I try to fix old dolls I made in the past to make them better, you know, like to upgrade them, and I would love to drop some unboxing or doll review from time to time, like why not? I'm also really sorry I didn't use my VTuber avatar today, he's under some visual updates at this moment. That being said, I will let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'm sorry, but I'm not feeling really talkative this time, so enjoy! Okay, so here's the group picture. Look how cute they all look together. As usual, don't forget to check the videos of Kyro's workshop, TheHatterDolls, Rock Puppets, Stephoodoll, I Could Do That DIY, Hisnameisakin, and Valkittys World. Links to their channels will be down below on the description box. As you see, you have plenty of cool dolls to enjoy this weekend, and why not? Go and watch some anime you like afterwards, and get inspired to create yours. Well, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye!